Cinderella, a night princess. Cinderella, the night princess, stood on her balcony, gazing at the moonlight sky. She began to sing, her voice soaring like a melody of stars. The night air was filled with her enchanting song. As Cinderella sang, a beautiful bluebird perched on her balcony railing. The bird's feathers shimmered in the moonlight, and it listened intently to Cinderella's voice. Entranced by her singing, the bluebird sang along, creating a harmonious duet. As Cinderella's song reached its peak, a mysterious red rose bloomed in front of her. Its petals glistened in the moonlight, and its fragrance wafted through the air. But when Cinderella stopped singing, the black rose vanished, leaving behind only the memory of its enchanting scent. The fairy mother's plea. In Fairyland, the fairy mother gathered her fairy companions, concerned about the enchanted flowers. A witch's curse had drained the flowers of their fragrance, and they were wilting. The fairy mother told the other fairies, "We need a red rose to restore the enchanted flowers. It's the only way to save them." As Cinderella continued to sing, the red rose reappeared, and the fairy mother realized that Cinderella's voice was the key to creating the red rose. The fairy mother approached Cinderella, explaining the situation and asking for her help. Cinderella, willing to assist, sang with all her heart, and the red rose bloomed stronger than ever. The witch who had cast the curse appeared, but Cinderella's song and the red rose's fragrance combined to weaken the witch's power. The witch, touched by the beauty of Cinderella's voice and the fairy's kindness, broke her own curse, restoring the enchanted flowers' fragrance. With the curse lifted, the enchanted flowers regained their vibrant colors and intoxicating fragrance. The fairy mother and the fairies thanked Cinderella for her help, and the bluebird celebrated with a joyful song. From that day on, Cinderella's voice was known throughout the land as a source of magic and healing. Cinderella's singing had brought life to the red rose and restored the enchanted flower's fragrance. Her voice became a symbol of hope, inspiring others to use their talents to help those in need. The bluebird remained her loyal companion, and together they filled the night with enchanting melodies, spreading joy and magic throughout the land.